Senator Zubiri.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, mine is really on a personal note, and it was directed to the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers Investigations. As far as we know, that's for all members of government, both from the three branches, judiciary, executive, and legislative. However, in Article 11 of the Constitution, Accountability of Public Officers, Section 2, the President is placed on has a different mechanism, Mr. President. The President, Vice President, members of the Supreme Court, members of the Constitutional Commissions, and Ombudsman may be removed from office on impeachment for and conviction of culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, and other high crimes, or betrayal of public trust. All other public officers and employees may be removed from office as provided by law, but not by impeachment. So, iba po ang trato natin sa Pangulo. If the investigation is to investigate the President, the proper venue really is to go to the House of Representatives for whatever purpose. If they have evidence that is presented here today, they can put the evidence together, ask somebody to sponsor the said case, because it will be difficult also, Mr. President, that in a verified complaint of an impeachment that is filed by 1/3 of the members of the House, the same shall constitute articles of impeachment. The trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. So magiging judges po tayo, like what happened to CJ Corona, that everyone here, I was not here, everyone here were members of the court, the impeachment court. The Senate shall have sole power to try and decide all cases of impeachment. When sitting for that purpose, the senator shall be on oath or affirmation. When the President of the Philippines is on trial, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court shall preside, but not to vote. No person shall be convicted without concurrence of 2/3 of all the members of the Senate. So may implication po ito, Mr. President. And that's all, because I don't want to have to make a judgment if there will be an impeachment case that will be filed later on, if that is the plan of certain political groups and personalities. Then we will prejudge the case, the possible impeachment case, Mr. President, if there will be an impeachment case. But my point being is, ang dami-dami natin problema, dami-dami natin kailangan gawin, yung budget hindi pa natatapos, we have to confirm many of the members of the cabinet so that they can continue doing their jobs, and we do our jobs as well. We've only passed one law so far. It's only the postponement of the barangay elections. Maybe we can, it's not even a law, we haven't made it a law yet. Maybe we can bog down to other matters of business for the Senate, Mr. President. That's my only appeal. It's just my own humble opinion. Thank you, Mr. President.
With the permission of Senator Zubiri, shall I consider your manifestation an objection also?
Yes.
Because you're processing the motion. Is that an objection?
Yes, Mr. President. Okay. Yes.